Welcome everyone to Lynx FA. Right, I'm gonna do another feature, and let's test it out in our shooting range, the Glock 23 Gen 5 MOS. Hi everyone, welcome again to Lynx FA. Right now, magta-testing ulit ako ng aking mga units natin dito sa Lynx. One of the most popular concealed carry guns. As you know, yung Glock sobrang famous na siya sa ating industry. So ngayon, ita-try out ko yung arguably the best concealed carry design ng Glock. So check it out. So ang aking i-feature the Glock 23 Gen 5 MOS. The Glock 23, highly recommended ito sa mga law enforcement, for self-defense kasi number one is the Glock 23 is 40 caliber. 40 caliber is in that range na marami kang capacity. Lethal na rin. I'm holding out is MOS, which is Modular Optic System. Nakakabit ang aking one of awesome red dots from Vector Optics, the SM64. So I'll try it out in the range. Tingnan natin how it handles and how my grouping goes. Let's check it out. So I tried out the Glock 23. Awesome unit. As expected, a really nice concealed carry gun. 40 caliber kasi siya. I liked it because really very manageable. You need to practice very well with the Glock units, but okay na okay siya. If you're looking for a really nice concealed carry, a much more lethal option for your collection, you won't go wrong with the Glock 23 Gen 5 MOS. Don't forget to follow our pages and a social media account. Also, if you have any questions or inquiries, call us during business hours. Thank you again